Dear students, in this particular video, I am going to discuss some sums of death of partner. See the first sum, it is sum number 8. Here, alpha, beta and gamma were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 2 is to 2 is to 1. The partner state provided that on the death of the partner, his executors, that means his legal heirs, will be entitled for the following: interest on capital, interest on drawing, salary, share in the profit. These are all credited and the interest on drawing is debited. Alpha, that is the first partner. Alpha died on 31/5/14. So here his capital 80,000 and he withdrawn 15,000 and interest on drawing was calculated 1200. The profit for the firm for the previous year ended on 31st/3/14 30,000. So see, the year end is 31st/3/14 and he died on 31/5/14. That is, it is ended on March and he died on at the end of the May. So April, May. So there is time factor for 2 months. The profit of the previous year 30,000. Prepare Alpha's capital account to be presented to his executors. Now see the solution. First, by balance BD, that is his capital 80,000. Interest on capital, he calculated on the capital. The rate of interest on capital is 12%. So 80,000 into 12% into 2 by 12. Why it is 2 by 12? Because interest on capital is calculated for 2 months. That is for April and May. It is 1600. Salary, again the per annum salary, that is for the full year salary become 12,000. So it is divided by 12. We get 1 month salary. It is multiplied by 2 because for April and May it is 2000. And last of all, profit and loss suspense account. It is the last year profit 30,000. On the basis of that, we have to calculate the present year profit. So it is 30,000 into 2 by 12. That is for the 2 months profit, and his share of profit it is 2 by 5. So it becomes 2,000. In the meantime, he draw rupees 15,000 and interest on drawing is given 1200. So after adding the credit side total, we find 85,600. From there, we deduct the amount of drawing and interest on drawing. We get the rest amount 69,400, which is transferred to the Alpha's executor's account. So it is the very simple sum. In that way, we can do the sum of the death of partner. Let's see the next sum. It is sum number 12. In that particular sum, tea and milk are two partners. They carrying a business in partnership, sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They close their books of accounts on 31st December and they have the balance sheet. In that particular balance sheet, they have some assets and some liabilities as well as reserve. Okay. Now milk died on 1st of May 2014. So what is the date? Year end? It is 31st December. So after December, it is January, February, March, April. It died on 1st of May. So May is not counted. So January, February, March, April. So in that particular sum, time factor is for 4 months. Partnership did provided that in the event of the death of a partner, his heirs would be entitled to paid out capital, share of reserve, profit, goodwill. So for the purpose of goodwill and for the purpose of share of profit, they provide the last few years profit. It is calculated on the average profit. Prepare milk's capital account transferring the amount due to milk heir loan account. C, by way of goodwill, his share of total profit of the preceding 3 accounting years, it is credited, and his share of profit that at the date of his death based on the average profit. So for goodwill calculation, it is total profit for the last 3 years, and for the profit calculation, it is the average of last 3 years accounting profit. Okay. Now see the solution of this sum. It is sum number 12. Now see the solution. First, it is by balance BT, that is the opening balance of capital, it is 60,000. In the balance sheet, in the liability side, we have the reserve. So the partner should get the share of reserve. It is 30,000 into his share, that is 2 by 5, it is 12,000. Now profit and loss suspense and T's capital account as the goodwill. So see the workings. Total profit 41,800, 39,200 and 45,000 becomes 1,26,000. Share of goodwill of milk is 1,26,000 into 2 by 5, it is total become 50,400. So in case of goodwill, by T's capital, because T is the existing partner, he compensates this. By T's capital account, it is 50,400. And for profit, for PL suspense, it is based on the average profit of last 3 years. It is total profit 1,26,000 divided by 3. We find 42,000 is our average profit. And share of PL Suspense 42,000 into 2 by 5, 2 by 5, that is his share of profit, and 4 by 12, which is the time factor, it becomes 5,600. So by PL Suspense account, it is rupees 5,600. So there is nothing in the debit side, that is no drawing, no interest on drawing present in that particular sum. So total of the credit side becomes 1,28,000. That entire sum of this amount is transferred to the milk side loan account. It is 1,28,000. Okay. So we see another sum of this death of partner. Let's see the another. It is sum number 13. In that particular sum, Violet, Indigo and Saffron. Violet, Indigo and Saffron at the profit sharing ratio is 5:3:2. They have some assets and some liabilities. On 1st June 2014, Saffron died on 1st June 2014, and the year end was 31st/12/13. So January, February, March, April, May. Time factor is 5 months. June is not counted because it is died on the 1st of June. Okay. So capital of Saffron should be credited. Salary 1,500 per month credited. Interest on capital is 5% credited. Goodwill should be credited. The amount of goodwill is 50,000 of the firm, and the share of profit on the basis of previous year profit is 60,000. He is drawing to the deceased person up to the date of death amount to rupees 8,000. Prepare Saffron's executor's account. Let's see the solution. That is Saffron's executor's account. First started with the Saffron's capital account because we prepared the Saffron's executor's account. That is why instead of buy balance PT, we write down Saffron's capital account. It is 20,000. Salary for 5 months because 1,500 per month is given. So 1,500 into 5, 7,500. Interest on capital, 20,000 is capital. Rate of interest is 5%. Against type factor is 5 by 12, it is 417. Now profit and loss suspense account. Here profit and loss suspense account based on the previous year profit, which is 60,000 into 2 by 10, it is his share, and 5 by 12, it is the time factor, it becomes 5,000. Now see the goodwill. In case of goodwill, share of goodwill of Saffron is, total amount of goodwill of the firm is 50,000 into 2 by 10, it is his share, it becomes 10,000. Contribution of Violet 10,000 into 5 by 8 because rest of the partners share is 5:3. So it is 5 by 8, it is compensated by Violet, it is 6,250, and contribution of Indigo 10,000 into 3 by 8, it is 3,750. That is in the same way which we did in case of retirement of partner. Here the accounting treatment is the same. That is the share of goodwill of the dead partner is compensated by the existing partners. Okay. So it becomes by Violet's capital account 6,250, by Indigo's capital account 3,750. So total becomes in the credit side 42,917. In the debit side, the drawing amounted to be 8,000. So if we deduct 8,000 from our total 42,917, we get the Saffron executors loan account 34,917. So it is the total amount which is transferred to the Saffron's executors loan account. In that way, we can solve the problem of the death of partner. Okay, thank you.